get this shit. Okay, so we actually have a filing to talk about that I guess I missed. This is at a CBOE exchange, and the proposal, the purpose of this, it's a very short one, so I'm not going to do a PowerPoint. I'm just going to explain this one to you. The exchange proposes to amend EDGX Rule 11.1, hours of trading and trading days, to begin accepting orders at 2:30 a.m. Eastern Time rather than 3:30 a.m. Eastern Time. So we're talking 2.5 hours now before pre-market begins, and this is substantially similar to NYSE ARCA rule that we saw come out a couple weeks ago. So basically, ARCA can accept orders 90 minutes before its early trading session begins. And CBOE is currently the same way. So the market opens at 4 o'clock Eastern, and CBOE can currently do from 3:30 a.m. until 8 p.m. Eastern time for pre-market. So basically what they're going to do is they're going to extend this early trading session to 3:30 a.m. Or I'm sorry, to 2:30 a.m. So they'll have 2.5 hours. So starting in sometime this month, the exchange would begin accepting orders at 2:30 a.m. Eastern time, again, which they anticipate would be this month. So basically, I didn't even know that they could trade before the pre-market opens. So now they have more time to trade before the pre-market session opens. Okay. The exchange proposes to begin accepting earlier orders to compete with non-exchange trading venues that begin accepting orders before 3:30 a.m. Eastern time. Oh, okay. Well, that makes sense. So by moving the exchange's order acceptance time earlier, members that route orders to multiple venues before 3:30 a.m. Eastern time would be able to include the exchange in their early morning routing determinations. The exchange does not propose to change the time when early trading session would begin, or any other rule changes, whatever that means. Or any other rule changes. I guess they're retarded also. Yeah, so I don't know how this is a good thing. They claim it's to get more orders on the exchange, but it's happening before the session even opens. So if anything, members could submit order flow to the exchange beginning at 2:30 now. Sick. Okay. All right, CBOE, whatever. It's going to bring more volume to the exchange, apparently. Yay. That's all I have. I'll keep looking.